The multiples of n form a sequence, where each consecutive multiple is spaced by n units. We can observe that the initial multiples lack sufficient information to determine the value of n. However, the last 5 multiples provide complete information to ascertain the value of n. Therefore, the last 4 multiples, in terms of n are the last multiple is a quadratic equation in n. We then expand, rearrange, and solve for n as follows. Therefore, n equals 13, or 13 over 3. 263 is not a multiple of 13, the nearest multiple is 260. Therefore, the sum is as follows. To grasp the fundamentals of multiples, watch the preceding video on this topic.